Hello. Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, we're going shopping. Now, if you're new here and haven't followed this Facebook page or subscribed to our YouTube channel, don't forget to tap the follow button on Facebook or the subscribe button on our YouTube channel to see more MCPL content. We bring interesting tech videos every Wednesday and Friday at 1. For any of the apps we cover in the shopping apps series, there will be personal information that you'll have to provide to complete a purchase. Almost all of these brands will ask for a shipping address, billing address, and financial information. So be that your credit, debit, or PayPal account information. If giving your personal information to an app concerns you, then I'd find other avenues for shopping online, or maybe not at all. So to start our shopping series, we looked around the eBay app, and now we're on to Etsy. So you'll keep an eye out for videos exploring Walmart, Shein, Target, Amazon, and more. So let's get started. Commonly known as the site for beautifully handmade goods, Etsy is your go-to place for your next unique and professionally crafted find. The Etsy app opens to the home screen, a space to find your next best thing. Across the top is the search bar, where you can type in anything that you're looking for. So find jewelry, home decor, custom items, phone accessories, and more. So below the search will be different carousels of content to check out that make up your home view. Then at the bottom of the screen, you can switch between the home view, favorites, updates, you, and your shopping cart. So in favorites, this is where you can view items and shops that you've added to your favorites. So to add an item to your favorites, you'll tap the heart at the top of the item's photo. You can even favorite a shop by visiting the shop page and tapping the favorite button. To the right of the favorites heart is the updates bell. These will be where you find your alerts about when an item you favorited goes on sale, when a shop you favorited is having a sale, and or when a shop you favorited has added new items. The You section will take you to your profile, where it's all about you. You'll tap your name in the menu to view your public profile, favorites, and review photos. Find options here for messages, purchases, and updates to any of your favorite items or shops, and then the help, and then your settings. After your profile is your cart. You'll view items that you've added to your cart, so you can go ahead and start purchasing them. You'll also see items that you've saved for later, ones that you weren't quite ready to buy yet. Now let's go back home and look at what Etsy has to offer. There are lots of items and shops to choose from on Etsy, and we want to make sure that we find exactly what we're looking for. So in our search bar, we can look up items or shops. So we're going to enter descriptive terms in the search bar to start our search. So for example, we could type in rustic blue coffee mug. And you'll notice as you type in, you'll see some shop names that may include that particular keyword that you're typing into the search. We want a coffee mug. And then you'll tap search. And here we go. So like I mentioned before, any of the objects that you find that you want to add to your favorites, you can just tap the heart in the upper right hand corner and it will let you save it to your favorites. You can have different collections if you want to categorize your favorites by what they are. So if I have a home decor collection, a mug collection, because I like to collect coffee mugs, or a jewelry collection, I can have all of those here to organize the items that are in my favorites. So your search results are ordered by how relevant the items are to what you've typed into the search bar. You can change the order of your search results with the filter option that's above the search results up here, and then tap sort by, and then change by categories, price, ships to, material, occasion, color, and any other filters from this list. You'll tap the show results to see your new list. But one of the filters that may be unique to you is the shop location. So after you search for something, you can tap Custom under Shop Location, and then type in your city. And then tap Show Results. Your results will refresh to show you items from shop locations, depending on what you chose. And it's a great way to support your local Etsy shop owners. So from the search that we have here, let's add some of the items to our cart. To help you find the best items for you on Etsy, you'll see different badges on items in your Etsy search. You'll see a few of them here. So you'll see ones in this section here that say free shipping. So the free shipping badge means that this item ships for free to your stated location. Some of the items here you'll see will also say bestseller. So this is an item that has had high sales volume in the past 6 months and is popular with other shoppers. You'll see some that say only so many left. So if that's an item that's going quickly and other people have it in their cart, you'll see those badges as well. And then as Etsy starts to learn about you, you may see some items that say Etsy's pick. So these will be items that were selected by Etsy's style and trend editors and were featured in a recent campaign. We haven't come across any of them just yet, but we'll go ahead and say that looking for badges is a way to find great items that may be exactly what you're looking for. So to add one of these awesome items to your cart, you're going to tap on the image, and on its detail page, you can gather some more information about the shop and the item. You'll see the shop name, which is Scandy House. Some shops, you'll probably even see a star seller badge for some of the sellers, which means they offer great customer service and have a history of 5-star ratings. You'll also see the price of the item on the right-hand side and any customization options that you can choose, if any. So if we want to choose the color of the mug that we'd like here, we can choose that. So let's do the Flecked Vanilla Bean. And then you can choose how many of them that you'd like. So if we want 2 of them. And it's important that any item that you're looking to buy, you want to scroll past this Add a Cart button. I know it's tempting to go ahead and just tap it, but you'll also want to check out the item details on the left, the shipping and policies, and then you'll also want to check out the item reviews and shop ratings. Some items may be great, but if the details don't meet your standards, you may need to check out another listing from another shop. But if everything's a-okay, you can add the item to your cart or add it to your favorites to come back to later. You can also select to buy it now on the listing to purchase just that item right away. Otherwise, tap Add to Cart and either keep shopping, go back to the shop, or proceed to checkout. So we'll tap Cart in the bottom right-hand corner, and you'll see here we have our 2 items for how much money it'll be, and the shipping is free. Once you're ready to buy and you're ready to pay, you're ready to check out. So you'll tap Proceed to Checkout. Now, if you're signed into your Etsy account, you'll confirm your shipping address and payment details. If you're checking out as a guest, you'll click Continue as a guest. You'll fill in your shipping and payment details. Now, there are benefits to creating an Etsy account before buying, but there are some purchases that you can make just using a guest checkout. You can usually pay with credit or debit cards, Etsy gift cards and Etsy credits, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, Klarna, but some sellers accept only some of these methods. So if you have multiple items in your cart from different shops, you may not be able to use the same payment method for everything. So you'll review your order to check that your information and order are correct and select Place Your Order. Now, when you buy on Etsy, you're purchasing from individual shops. So if you have any questions about your order, you'll have to reach out to the seller. So you'll complete the purchasing process, and that's it. You just bought an item from Etsy. So what Etsy will do is it'll send you an email for each shop that you've purchased from. Now you can view your order information by going to You, Purchases and Reviews. And then once you've completed the purchasing process, you can track your item's location until it's shipped. You can follow your package online all the way to your shipping address when the seller uploads tracking information. If your item isn't sent with tracking, you'll be able to see the expected delivery date for your package. And that's it. So once you receive your item, you'll let your seller know how happy you are by leaving a review. And whether you're interested in buying keychains, rustic mugs, wedding favors, home decor, and more, you'll find just what you're looking for on Etsy. All right, see you next time in our next shopping app. Have a good day. And we want to thank you for watching. Follow us to find more videos just like this. Our page on Facebook is MCPL 360, and if you miss us on Facebook, you'll still find these same videos on our YouTube channel at MCPL Mo. Find our consumer technology playlist. Have a good day.